I don't subscribe to, 100 pills in your closet because everybody's trying to pitch you something. So the question is, why is it that you're taking what you're taking? So for example, I'll take like today, before coming into the podcast, I took lion's mane mushrooms, right? So lion's mane mushrooms helps with clarity of the mind. So I just took that. Now I feel great. Instead of resorting to caffeine like everybody does or some other thing, I'm like, okay, let me go for a natural remedy. And what I've come to find out is that anything that pharmacies want to sell you, nature has a natural form of remedy to cover you.